So what am I going on?
When I say go.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
On your mark. Get set. Go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go! Drop, mag. Clear it. There you go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Get back, get back, get back, get back. Go! Perfect. Go, 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 go. 2, 1, go.
I hit the top of it, guys. Oh, save some for your buddy.
So close.
There it is. Clear it. Go, go, go. Drop it. Guess it. Guess.
Grab the center one. Yeah! Drop it, clear it.
Get out of there.
Yeah! 1, go!
Take your time, Mace. Don't rush.
This is your father.
Good, good.
Yeah, drop it.
Rag it. Go.
That was a very good run.
Tony. Go, Tony.
I love gas cans. Really? Yeah! 3, 2, 1, go! I love you, Drake.
Gotta see.
That's actually a really good touch.
Wait. Wanna. Ow! Oh my God! Go, dump it! Go! Get out of there!
Start!
Take out your barrel. Go, you guys
Mulligan? There it goes!
Yeah! Fantastic time so far, you guys. Keep going.
Don't kill the barrel.
I got a souvenir! Hit.
Oh no! Make him count!
Go, 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 go.
Oh!
Try that last neck 3 times. One more back.
Bonus round!
Make it one extra because there's a mag malfunction. There you go. One, go.
Ryan?
Sorry. How many people, bro? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What time do we have to be? 34.6, the leading time, that's...
Get out of there! Go, go, go! Come on! Dump it! Right thumb!
Is it jammed?
Press the button!
Press the button!
Right by your thumb. Press it, pull. Clear it, get safety's engaged. You drop it, go. Drop it, go. Drop it, go, 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 go.
I heard that thing goes like this.
2.
Behind the line! Behind the line!
Hard to hold it against.
Oh, hit me. Souvenir. In the crotch. Hey Nick, are your sights actually on?
Yeah, they're pretty dead
Are your sights on point?
Top or bottom? Everybody else?
Is it on the dot?
I don't know.
Alright, you guys. You're out of BBs. Sorry.
That's it.
Basically making sure you don't get shot. Alright, on my go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Nice. Oh, we got to throw some silicone on it.
Ryan, use this one first. You're not getting some views.
Yeah,
Go to 4. Oh, I probably shouldn't say that.
Oh, this guy here. Get out of there!
1,
Cool.
go.
Instead of raffles. It's a 4 awesome.
Holy crud. Kill it! Oh my god!
Go, Will.
Woo!
I believe in you.
I believe in you!
Come on, Will!
He's not using modern guns!
Oh no!
He needs to... It started?
Go!
Are you kidding? You suck.
It always go down. Yeah, right?
Salty for the win! Or not? Oh my god. No.
32.4. On my go. 3, 2, 1, go. Take your time off, man. Cross the targets.
Good run.
You go, Chip.
He moved the barrel! Are you ready?